Hey, this is Curtis Starks, creator of the 28-Day Slim Down. And if you're wanting to lose weight, get fat off, and also create a new lifestyle, you're in the right place. Give me a couple of minutes and explain to you why my 28-Day Slim Down is the program for you. First of all, it's 4 weeks, and I'm gonna be there with you to help you all through the whole thing. See, we have to do things together to achieve the results. We have 2/3 of Americans are overweight and 35% are obese. And the reason why our bodies are just changing because of what we're eating. My 28-Day Slim Down will teach you exactly how to eat. See, the body is programmed to burn fat for energy and take in protein for growth. But what has happened, we got carbs and sugars that people take and it makes you feel good. You know, it sends a signal to the brain and just like, wow, there it is. But the body can only use a small amount of carbs and a small amount of sugars. And what happens to the rest? The body doesn't burn it. It only burns what it needs and it stores the rest as fat. And with that being said, we need something to burn the fat, to burn the energy. And we need a creative and effective exercise program. And with my 28-Day Slim Down, my whole goal is to turn your body into a fat burning machine instead of a sugar and carb storing machine. So listen, if you want any more information about this program, click the link below and I'll email you and we can talk about it and we can start as soon as you make that decision, all right? And hopefully you and I can get together and we can make it happen. Again, 28-Day Slim Down, let's fight fat.